ask for blessings upon you. We pray for health, prosperity, and fulfillment in all aspects of our life. Grant our celebrant the courage to overcome challenges and wisdom to cherish every moment. In the name of Father, the celebrant, together with her husband, sila mag-sit dito sa front, and then, palamahan natin
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
one more. Happy birthday.
Bongga ka naman. Bongga naman yun. Das.
Tuh ya, das. Mahal ka.
Atero.
Kaya big. Dapat medium dapat.
May pata-regalo. I'm sorry, be. I'm very sorry. I didn't know you were there.
Aya, Ate Sana.
Yung may mama, opening of gifts.
Unboxing.
Unboxing. Ng mama. Para ano.
Excited.
Wala lumanayan ng kasi ng buwan to.
Wala.
Wala yung regalo ng Ate Silig dyan.
Yan, bag! Bag! May bag! Bongga!
Kulay pink. Tama na yung kain mo.
Aktor, kaya ang ito may bago.
Santa. Ay, Ate Sans. Ate Sandra. Oy, mabongga.
Patanggawa, wata ka agto di, agto ibagay ki, ako gaw mo ito.
Ate Sandra. Huwag mo kaming sinisigawan dito, ha?
Asa na yung gamit din sa sasakyan?
Beo, butik yan dami.
Bababa yung babagsak.
Good, ma?
Parangin natin cellphone.
Babagsak sila tapos
Uy,
tatama
may cellphone ko, uy.
Wata?
May Fortune, may gray. Ah, madala.
Ano